it's not big, it's long.
Can't think what you're saying. Oh, God.
Oh, shit. Are you
Damn
bleeding?
it.
Edgar, he's bleeding.
Ah, what the heck?
He's fucking bleeding, you don't care?
Ah, God. What did he do?
I don't know. He fell.
I think I broke my nose. Yeah, that's fake blood. I'm not an idiot.
You saw his face? You thought it was real, huh?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, you did. You're a freaking liar.
No, not really. I was surprised. I was like,
No,
oh, okay.
I know that face. You're like this. Look.
Well, you did it to my mom?
He did it to me.
Did you believe it?
No, because I was facing this way, and then I heard, like, he like, banged against the bed. I'm like, okay.
Really?
Next thing I know, I turn around, and I was like, are you bleeding? And then it was all fake the whole time.
Oh, my God. If I'm gonna go shopping, I'm gonna go to
Got it all on film. Check it out.
You did?
Yeah.
No.